Bitcoin money cost especially equivalent to $236.24 a coin, which basically is very huge. The present exchanged cost range, 235.68 246.76. The earlier day close, 244.91. The change basically was 8.67, 3.54%. Which essentially is genuinely huge. Backwards rate, United States dollars to BCH, or so they in a real sense thought. Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not so distant future, and month Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $242, kind of greatest $259. Lovely least $225 in a sort of significant manner. Bitcoin money gauge on Friday, August 4, cost $237. Exceptionally most extreme $254, truly least $220, or so they truly thought. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost $248, genuinely most extreme $265 in every practical sense, least $231, which in a real sense shows that Bitcoin money value forecast for, in the not so distant future, and month Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $242, truly greatest $259, sort of least $225, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, August 8, cost $249, lovely greatest $266, kind of least $232, which fundamentally is very huge. Bitcoin money value forecast 2023, 2024, 2027. In an especially enormous way. In multi-week Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, August 9, cost $245, certainly greatest $262, kind of least $228, or so they in a real sense thought. Bitcoin money conjecture on Thursday, August 10, cost $248, essentially most extreme $265, exceptionally at least $231 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, August 11, cost $253, kind of greatest $271, really least $235 in an exceptionally large way. Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, August 14, cost $251, kind of greatest $269, sort of least $233 in a really significant manner. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15, cost $240, truly most extreme $257. Least $223, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. In about 14 days Bitcoin money gauge on Wednesday, August 16, cost $250, most certainly greatest $268, least $233, so Bitcoin money figure on Friday, August 4, cost $237, certainly greatest $254, by and large least $220. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, August 17, cost $243, in every way that really matters, greatest $260, least $226, in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, August 18, cost $245, certainly greatest $262, by and large least $228 in an especially significant manner. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, August 21, cost $245, truly greatest $262, exceptionally least $228 in a sort of significant manner. Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, August 22, cost $245, certainly greatest $262, sort of least $228, which by and large is very huge. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, August 23, cost $247. All things considered, most extreme $264, certainly least $230. Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, August 24, cost $239 in every practical sense, greatest $256, fundamentally least $222, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, August 25, cost $236, really most extreme $253. Certainly least $219, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, August 28, cost $226, exceptionally most extreme $242, especially least $210 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, August 29, cost $218. In every way that really matters, greatest $233. Certainly least $203 amazingly. In about a month Bitcoin money gauge on Wednesday, August 30, cost $212. All things considered, most extreme $227, least $197. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, August 31, cost $218, kind of most extreme $233. Essentially least $203 in and in every way that really matters, huge way. Bitcoin money figure on Friday, September 1, cost $217, beautiful greatest $232, exceptionally least $202 in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to BCH today. United States dollars to BCH conversion standard kind of equivalent to 0.4233 coins per $100, showing how Bitcoin money estimate on Monday, August 28, cost $226, really greatest $242, all things considered, least $210 in a quite huge way. Today's reach, 0.4053 0.4243, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The past day's nearby, 0.4083 in a significant way, change for now plus 0.0150. Plus 3.67% in and in every way that really matters, enormous way. United States dollars to BCH cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Thursday, August 3, cost 0.413 coins, really greatest 0.444, for the most part least 0.386 in a genuinely huge manner. United States dollars to BCH forecast on Friday, August 4, cost 0.422 coins, especially greatest 0.455, genuinely least 0.394 amazingly. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, August 7, cost 0.403 coins, lovely most extreme 0.433, certainly least 0.377 in an unobtrusive way. United States dollars to BCH expectation on Tuesday, August 8, cost 0.402 coins, fundamentally greatest 0.431, exceptionally least 0.376, especially further appearance how us to BCH cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future, and month. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Thursday, August 3, cost 0.413 coins, truly most extreme 0.444, essentially least 0.386 in a fundamentally significant way. In multi-week dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Wednesday, August 9, cost 0.408 coins, truly greatest 0.439, especially least 0.382 in a significant way. United States dollars to BCH expectation on Thursday, August 10, cost 0.403 coins, by and large most extreme 0.433. Genuinely least 0.377, so Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost $240.